Okay, the purpose of this video is to kind of talk to how I add blog posts in Divi and WordPress to make it, I think, as easy on you as possible. So the first thing that happens, of course, is the content, and you need a title and the content itself. And you can actually pull this in from any AI editor you might be using, or Word. I like to use Word and just copy and paste it right into this Gutenberg or WordPress editor. Don't worry about using Divi to actually format this because Divi has a theme builder and you can actually utilize the tools that it provides. I'll show you that in a second. Now, the other thing you want to do is make sure everything's set up, even your headings. So here I have H2 links set up, and of course the title will be in H1. The other thing you will want is a actual image for your blog post. That's kind of all those are kind of needed. Then you'll want to set up the status. I always like to schedule mine out to run the next week. When you do scheduling, you can see that you can set up the time, AM or PM, and what date you want this to post. Now you can also set up the slug, and I'll show you that to do that in my Rank Math tool, but you can do it here as well. And you would select the author too. You have multiple authors, you want to select the one that this one belongs to. To set up Rank Math, you come here into the snippet and you go ahead and click on this. And I usually like to use the default placeholders, which shows you what's going to come out like. And then the slug, as I said, can be changed here, but it takes what you had for a title and creates that to begin with. And then you want a meta description. And to create a meta description, I usually just highlight the entire uh, content and send it to my favorite AI and ask them to create a meta description for me. And it's important that you have in the meta description the keyword, the focus keyword for this particular article. In my case, it's creating blog posts. And using Rank Math, you can add it in here. And when you do, and you do it correctly, you will get all these nice green check marks that will show you that you're getting scores for meeting what they say or Google likes to have happen in SEO. One more thing, just before I end here, let me go over to the post and show you that you also want to pick categories. You will have hopefully up to 10 categories that you could have and add these to one or multiple categories. Save it all, and that's all you'll have to do there. With Divi, one of the nice things is when I actually look at the post in Divi, it looks like this. It doesn't look at all like what we see in the editor because I have told Divi, hey, I want the heading 2s to be blue and the heading 3s to be red and so forth. And of course, the featured image shows up in the background here. Where is that done? That's done in the Divi theme builders, the templates, theme templates. And so you can see I've done that here using the blog post module. Okay, have a great day and we'll talk to you next time.